So hey, what's up guys? For you guys, I have changed my language in here in English. So you can see that I have no Twitter watermark here. Twitter logo. This is my official account. I have the Twitter bird logo like this here. And I have no Twitter logo here. So let's see at first. This is the Twitter logo that I have. If you want this kind of logo, then please comment me in my comment section. And now let me show you a thing. This is my main account. Okay, you can definitely, what is that to say? If you comment me, I will definitely give you if I have a Twitter account. Okay, so if you wanna comment me, you can please comment. Okay, this kind of mark, you have to first comment me. Then I will give you the Twitter link. Always I give you in the description box. You can go there and ask me for this mark. I will give you for free. No money needed. Okay, no money needed. Okay, so you can follow my account here. Okay, now today this video was for this watermark of Twitter logo. I will give you this mark. Perhaps as I am official account, there are no edit profile. If you go, this watermark will be not available. But for normal account, I guess it might be available. I have no normal account, that's why I don't know. Okay, so bye. If you want, please comment me.